What is up, YouTube? It's your girl Rochelle and I'm back with another video. I am back to go over my September budget and my plan to see how we're going to spend our money, give every dollar a job, and cash flow some purchases while saving money and paying off debt. If that's something you want to see, then stick around. Thank you guys for tuning in, liking, sharing, and subscribing. You guys are thebomb.com. Let's dive right in. I am inside of my digital undated planner and we are going to be using the Good Notes app to get this done. So first off, I like to fill in my monthly overview so that I can see exactly how we're looking. So I'm going to go ahead and get that done. Okay, we are all back. I filled in my September monthly overview. I like to color code things just to make it nice and easy. So anything green means that it's planned income for us. So you can see we plan on getting some rent from our rental property on the 1st, and then I pay myself out from RochelleAdamson.com on a weekly basis, and then I plugged in the weeks that I think I'll bring in some Sister Locks income, and so that pretty much is the only income I don't really count the RochelleAdamson.com income, but I estimate and I pull it out every week so that I can pay my bills and go ahead and get these cash stuffings done. Then I have Micah's paydays. He gets paid every other week. And then, of course, I have my YouTube income. And I actually count that day as my income, my day that I get paid out for any social media. So TikTok, YouTube, Facebook Reels, bonus, whatever it might be. I'm trying to qualify for that Instagram. I cannot get that Instagram. I want it, baby. But you know, it's invite only and you just got to be patient. But anyway, I love doing little side hustles like that because it really does help. It really does add up. Then the red are all the bills. So homeschool, my insurance for my business, Dollar Shave, all of those are in red. Even the credit cards that have a zero balance are on here because I want to check those on their due dates to make sure that they have a zero balance. And I want to pay the minimum at the very least on the credit cards that do have a balance. Then in blue, I have the rental property bills. So things like landlord insurance, which I honestly only pay that once a year. It's due for the month of September. Pest control and our monthly payment to the property manager who manages the property for us. Okay, and then I have some notes down the bottom. Just some reminders like doctor appointment, my mom's appointment. I have some plans to volunteer. I have a move out inspection planned, and I have to remind myself to return the car rental that I have. So I like to just put little things like that on my calendar to remind me. Now let's jump into the actual budget, which we'll talk about the actual numbers. So we'll fill this in together. I'm not really sure about the exact numbers for some of these. I kind of play around with the budget and just let it do what it does. But first up, let's talk about my savings category. So for my insurance is going to get $250. That's my life insurance policy. I view that as savings because it's a cash value plan. I can pull the cash anytime I need it. Then bare minimum, I'm going to send at least $200 to our emergency fund. That's $100 every time my husband gets paid. $20 to our trickle savings account that we just send a few dollars a month to so that we don't accrue any fees for having the bank account. Then next is the debt. So we are going to send $888 to Tesla, our sinking fund, just to make sure we have enough. We try to stay a month ahead on that. My husband's credit card is going to get $483 at the bare minimum. My credit card is going to get $380 bare minimum. And then we usually send $200 total to both of our Apple credit cards. Amazon doesn't have a minimum due, but I always put at least $80 to the side just in case. And if I don't need to make that payment, then I will just move it and put it on another debt. All of this money, we don't play about putting extra on our car. Like my husband's credit card is really only $400, but I put the extra 83 every time. Then I have my business credit card, which should have a zero balance by the time everything clears. We'll see. Then Chase, it also doesn't have a minimum, but I like to just set aside money because it's our DoorDash card, so I just know it's going to be something on there. But we'll see. We'll come back to this. I like to just fill in the for sures first. So rent is going to get a total of $3,200 for the last time. Woo, woo. We're getting out of here, baby. Wi-Fi is going to get $110. The Peloton is going to get $40.76. Netflix is going to pretty much get $21. Same for homeschool, about $20.85. YouTube is being weird and charging me $19 right now. I don't know if there's some type of promo or something going on with that. I don't ask no questions when it's less. Dollar Shave is actually only, I think, every other month, but I have it slated just in case for 13 because I know we did order some extra stuff. Then my sister-locks insurance, which I thought I had written down somewhere else. Let me just peruse. Okay, I don't. Is $8 a month. And then business taxes, I know for being a virtual assistant, I will put at least $100. And then I know my independent contractor will also get $100 bare minimum. My property manager will get $150. I don't know what it is. People are so addicted to cutting grass around here. It's weird. Micah is going to get $400 in personal money. My daughter and I both take Spanish. We'll put at least just something on my iPad, $135 towards Spanish classes for the both of us. We are plugging away. The phone will definitely get, let's see here. I'm going to just adjust it. I'm just going to put $140 for that. I'm adjusting this in real time on my electronic budget. So that would be a total of $70 every time my husband gets paid. And then family, let's see what we're going to do. We'll do $75 for family. Then my rental property pet sinking fund will get the usual $35. How about we didn't even talk about how much money we're going to budget? How did I miss that? We are going to work with a budget anticipated income of $8,885. So that would be my husband's day job and our rental property income and my virtual assistant work and my sister. I'm not even counting my sister-lock income, but that's bare minimum. So we just want to go with what we got. Okay, now let's go and see how much money we have left to work with. Okay, I added everything up and we have $1,297.39 left to work with. So off top, I am going to give us more money towards food. I'm going to double the 400 and make it 8. So minus another 4 puts us down to $897.39. Then let's see what else. I am going to put 100 in buffer. We're trying to grow our buffer bill account. Then let's see what else. Bills usually are about the same. Let's go ahead and say we're going to take about 400 for cash envelopes. And then let's go ahead and I'm going to erase Chase right here and put Snowball instead. And we'll plan on making a debt snowball payment of $197.39 minus 197.39. That'll leave us $200. Let me put a reminder on here for Chase. We'll send some extra money to our savings of $200. So minus 200. And so now I just like to add all of this up and make sure we're good. So okay, we added it up and it does equal our total estimated income of $8,885. That's bare minimum, and that is going to be for Micah's paydays and the rental property. And what else did I include in this income? I have no idea, guys. We got to go back and see what we're even counting as our income. Okay, so here we go. Rental property. Oh yeah, my virtual assistant work. And I did include my YouTube. I did. Okay, so that doesn't include RochelleAdamson.com estimated income or Sister Lock's income. But that is how I do it. That is like the bare minimum that I need to do for my budget before I start the month of the next month. And so you can see today is Wednesday, August 31st. I'm going to upload this to you guys so you guys can get ready for your September budgets with me. Let me know in the comments, was this helpful? If you are new to budgeting, if you are a regular budgeter, what style of budgeting do you use? And I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, you know what it is. Peace. Oh, I can't believe I didn't. Wait a minute. I got to do it with y'all. Peace, love, and budgets.